Hey, buddy. There she is. I'm going to teach you how to program the radio, but first I got to show you something. You're not going to believe this. You're going to hold your breath, buddy. This is disgusting. Look at this foolishness. Look. Oh. Can you believe this? It's snowing since about 3 o'clock this morning. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Hang on, I'm gonna push pause for a minute. Brr! Alright. Shut that one off. Alright. There we go. Oh. Gotta put her in the accessory there. So, in order to program this thing, every single time, you have to put it in manual mode to manually tune in the frequency that you want. In order to put it in manual mode, see right now you're in the auto channel mode, so every time you push your up and down arrow, you're changing the channel number, which, you know, whatever frequency, whatever radio station is programmed each one. In order to get out of that, you gotta push your select button, go through the whole, through every spot until you get back to this frequency here. So you're just gonna keep pushing it like this. Now you're back here. So now, when you push your up and down arrow, you're now in manual mode. So you can manually tune in the frequency that you want. So I'm going to go with 100.1. A bunch of easy listening stuff. So now that we're here, I'm going to put this into memory channel number 1. Alright? So I'm going to push and hold select. And then you'll hear a beep and then the screen should flash. Boom. Alright? So now you got number 1 flashing here. If you want to put it in number 2, just use your up and your down arrow until you get to whatever channel you want to put it in. I'm going to put it in number 1. Now that I'm here, I'm just going to push select one more time. Boom. Now we're in number 1. So now we're obviously in the channel mode. So I'm just going to go through them all. Now I'm going to go back down to channel 1 just to confirm. Yep, there we go. C100. Right? Down to 1. Yep. Whoop. Number 1. Yep. Okay, so now let's do one more. In channel number 2, we currently have 94.9 programmed in there, right? So I'm just going to go through all this foolishness here again till you get back to there. So you should be back in manual mode, which we are. So let's go up to, go to 101.9. Right? Now again, push and hold number, select until it flashes again. We're going to put this one in number 2. Because we already put one in number 1. Alright, now we're number 2. Push select, boom. There you go. Now we got C100, one on there, and we got Country 101 there. Let's put the Q. Let's go back through this again. We'll do one more here. Oh shit, don't rebuy it. I think. Hope I didn't screw that up. No, we're good. Alright, so let's go to 104.3. Push and hold. Push and hold. Yeah, we'll put that in number 3. And click. There we go. How you doing, buddy? Yeah. A little country going on. Yeah.
Shipping. Bulwark Cider. Truly local and craft.
Yep.
Pick up your Bulwark Cider on the...
Yep.